Hello friends, and welcome to ZimSIC Robotics Lab with Zim Science General. In this video, we focus on experiments examined in the November 2025 candidates with the review of value addition. Paper 3 is a practical paper with 2 hands-on approach questions. Question 1 required the following apparatus: a burner, a stopwatch, a clock watch, wires of different lengths, starting with wire A, which is the shortest one, followed by wire B, wire C, and wire D. We also need Vaseline in this experiment. We now carry out this experiment in 2 different ways. One, using a clock watch, and another experiment using a stopwatch. We start the experiment now by measuring the length of each wire. Starting with wire A. Wire A is 8,3. We record 8,3 in the table, the length of the wire, 8,3. Then we will measure the second one, which is wire B. Wire B, 10.3 again. I record 10.3 here. I proceed now to measure wire C. Wire C is 12.5. I now measure the last wire, the length of the last wire, which is wire D. Wire D, 14.4. I proceed to record the length of the last wire, which is 14.4. Having measured the length of the 4 wires, I now proceed to stick the matchstick on the first experiment using our clock watch as our time in this experiment. You need the wire, some Vaseline, small amount, then you put the Vaseline and the stick at the end, right at the end. Then you use a peg to hold the wire. We use a peg, either wooden or plastic, because plastic and wood are heat insulators. Then I proceed to light on the matchstick with my stopwatch, my clock watch. We have 2 burners, a spirit burner and a paraffin burner. But in most schools in Zimbabwe, they use a paraffin burner because paraffin is almost readily available. So I prefer to use this one, commonly used by many schools or many centers. So the first step is to light on the paraffin burner. Then I place this end on the paraffin burner and start. It doesn't start from 0. So I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It was already dropped by the time I got to 12, it had already fallen. You see? So I am recording 12 seconds for the first for wire A. Then I go on to wire B. I proceed to consider wire B. Wire B, Vaseline. I put some Vaseline on the wire at the edge. Then I hold the wire and put it on the flame. 21 seconds. 21 seconds. 21 seconds here. wire C, then time 1, 2, 64. Okay, the last wire is wire D. Wire D, then Vaseline, then a matchstick. After a matchstick is laid on it, I place it on it, and I start counting 1, 2, 151. We finished an experiment in which we used a clock watch to time our experiment. Then in this experiment, we have changed to use a stopwatch. So we are repeating the experiment using the same wires, but now with the stopwatch. So we take wire A, then we take Vaseline, place at the end, then the peg to hold the wire and it stick in position. Then I light on. As soon as I do that, I place the wire and start the stopwatch. This time I don't have to count, but to watch, then stop. 30 seconds. Okay, 39 seconds. 39 seconds. This experiment sought to establish the relationship between heat transfer along wires of different lengths by comparing the time taken for heat to travel to the other end. Time is therefore crucial in this experiment. Using a clock watch posed the problem of too much concentration on the physical counting of clock seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., rather than focusing on the exact time the matchstick dropped. This was even made worse when candidates used a single wall mounted above their heads. Our conclusion to this experiment is that a stopwatch is superior where precise time measurement is required and not a clock watch. Thank you.